I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 48 for grade 3 mathematics. The topic we finished in the last class, that was asserted multiples. A quick revision from question 7 to question 10, which we completed in the last class, and then we will do some basics of multiplication. Okay, so guys, question number 7 was about each bag hold 10 sweets. How many sweets in 7 bags? So each bag means they're talking about that every bag, only one bag, every bag hold 10 sweets. That means in one bag there are 10 sweets. So how many sweets will be there in 7 bags? So for that, what you are going to do, this is a simple multiplication question. You know the quantity of sweets in one bag, so you are able to find out the quantity in 7 bags. Just multiply the number of quantity of one bag by 7 and you will find the answer. So one bag have 10 sweets, so 7 bag will have 7 by 10, which will be equals to 70 sweets, right? The question number 8 was 6 children have new shoes. 6 children have new shoes. How many new shoes is that? So as we discussed in the last class, guys, that shoes means our children obviously buy pair of shoes. That means one shoes for the right foot and one for the left. 2 shoes. Okay. So that means one children have 2 shoes, right? So how many new shoes is that? So because one children have about 2 shoes, so 6 children have total 2 multiplied by 6. If one children have 2, then 2 children will be 2 multiplied by 2. 3 children will be 3 multiplied by 3. And 4 children will have 4 multiplied by 2. 5 children will have 5 multiplied by 2 shoes. And 6 children will have 6 multiplied by 2 shoes, which is equals to 12. Which is equals to 12. So 6 children have total 12 shoes. The question number 9 is, the tree is 5 times taller than the fence. The tree is 5 times taller than the fence, and the fence is 2 meters tall. So first, you are giving the question give you the information that tree is 5 times taller than fence. Then it tells you the height of the fence, which is 2 meters tall. How tall is the tree? You know that tree is 5 times taller than the fence. So just multiply the height of the fence with 5 and you will get the answer. 5 by 2 equals to 10. So the tree is 10 meter tall. And question number 10 was, each car can carry 5 people. So how many people could travel in 7 cars? So because in one car, 5 people can travel. So in 7 cars, 5 multiplied by 7 people, 5 multiplied by 7 people could travel. In one car, 5 people. So how many people could travel in 7 cars? Just multiply the 5 by 7 and you will find the answer. And that will be 35. So 5 by 7 is equals to 35. So you will say, sir, 35 people could travel in 7 cars. Up to here, everything is clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. So now we are going to do something that is actually multiplication basics. So I'm writing here multiplication. You don't need to write right now. But once I tell you to take out your notebook, then you have to take out your notebook and you have to do this work. In multiplication, what you will do, guys, we will learn basic multiplication. You remember we used to do the multiplication 25 by 2. Yes. Yes. Can anyone multiply 25 by 2? Answer me in the chat. If you can tell me how to multiply. If you want to participate, that how we will multiply 25 by 2, then I'll give you chance. Anyone who want to participate, who want to tell me how we will multiply 25 by 2. Okay. Sharif. Yes, Sharif.
Here, we can multiply to 25 by 2.
Mhm.
But first we check in the one that in the fives, it's from the odd number.
Sharif, simple
That's
multiply. Multiply 25 by 2.
25 plus 25, 2 plus 2, 4, and 5, and 5.
Okay, leave it. I'm explaining.
And 7, maybe 47.
This is very simple, guys. When you are multiplying any number, 25, in 25, how many tens and how many ones are there? There are 2 tens and 5 ones in 25. You are multiplying 25 by 2. So when you multiply any number, so you have to multiply the number by ones first. So 2 multiplied by 5 equals to what? 2 multiplied by 5. Yes, guys, 2 multiplied by 5 equals to what?
10. 10.
Very good. 2 multiplied by 5 ones is equals to 10 ones. In 10, there are 2 digits. 1, 10 and 0, 1. So 0, 1 you will write here. 10 means 1, 10, 0, 1, and 1 you will regroup here. Okay. Now 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10 ones. You regroup 0 here, you give 1 carry to the tens, which is, now you will multiply this 2 by this 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equals what?
4. So it will be
4. Very good. In 4, you will add this one. In 4, you will add this one. In 4, you will add this one. So it will be 4 plus 1. And that is equals to 5. So you will write here 5. So 25 multiplied by 2 is equals to 50. 25 multiplied by 2 is equals to 50. Again, I repeat, when you multiply the number by ones first. 2 multiplied by 5, 10. So you should write, you are going to write 10 ones, but because in 10 there are 2 digits. So you only write 0 here, and when you regroup with the tens, then you multiply this 2 by tens. 2 by 2, 4, and 4 plus 1, 5. So the answer is 50. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
That's very good. We have practiced it in class 2 for these questions also. So this is just to revise you and to make you warm up. Let's take one more question. Let's suppose instead of 25 multiplied by 2, if it is 48 multiplied by 2. This is now 48 multiplied by 2. So again, guys, what you will do, you will multiply this 2 by 8 first. Yes, 2 multiplied by 8 equals to what?
16. 16.
Very good. In 16, there are 2 digits. 1, 10 and 6, 1. This is 10 and this is tens and this is ones. So once you will write here, 6 you will write here, and tens you will regroup with the tens. Now you will multiply this 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 equals to what?
8, and the odd one will be 9.
That's very good. So this is 8, but the answer is not 8 because you have given 1 carry also. So 110 is already waiting here. So 2 multiplied by 4, 810. In 810, you will add the 110, and that will be equals to then 910. So the answer 48 multiplied by 2 will be 96. 96. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
That's very good. So let's take one more example. And this time I will take 3-digit example for multiplication. This is 268 multiplied by 3. 268, the place of 2 is 100. The place of 6 is tens. And the place of 8 is ones. So 268 you have to multiply by 3. So guys, again, what you will do, you will multiply the number by ones first, 3 by 8. Whatever the answer will be, you will write here. If you need to regroup, you will regroup. Then you will multiply this 3 by tens. You will write answer here. If it needs to regroup, you will regroup. And then you will multiply this 3 by hundreds and you will write answer in the hundreds column. Okay. So 3 multiplied by 8 equals to what?
No, 26.
24.
3 multiplied by 8 equals to 24. 3 by 1, 3. 3 by 2, 6. 3 by 3, 9. 3 by 4, 12. 3 by 5, 15. 3 by 6, 18. 3 by 7, 21. And 3 by 8, 24. So 24 have 2 digits. 24 have 2 digits. 2 tens and 4 ones. So you will write only ones here, 4, and 2 you will regroup here. Now, this 3 you will multiply it with 6. 3 multiplied by 6 tens is equals to how many tens? Yes, guys, 3 multiplied by 6 equals to how many tens?
18.
Very good. It is 18 tens, but the answer is not 18 tens because you have given 2 carry also. In 18, you will add this 2 10 and you will get 20. 18 plus 2 is equals to 20. So the answer is 20. But in 20, even there are 2 digits. In 20, there are 2 digits. So you will regroup 20 tens is as 200 and 0 tens. So 2 you will regroup here, 0 you will write here. Or 20, 0 you will write here and you will regroup its 2 to the 100. Now you have multiplied 3 to 8 ones. You have multiplied 3 to 6 tens. It's time to multiply 3 to 2 hundreds. So 3 multiplied by 2 hundreds is equals to how many hundreds, guys?
4.
Six. It will be 6 and add 2.
Very good. 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 6. But the answer is not 600 because there is already 200 which you give carry. So 6 in 6 you will add that 200 and that will be 8. So the answer you write here, that will be 804. 804. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Sir.
That's very good. So take out your notebook. We are going to do some multiplication questions in the notebook. Take out your notebook. I'm going to share a new screen with you. In the notebook, write the heading multiplication, date. Today is 2 November 2021. It is 2/11/2021 and today is Tuesday. We are doing basics of multiplication. Can you see the new screen, guys?
Yeah.
That's very good. So this is the question, guys. In this way, you have to do it, right? Write multiplication. Solve the following question. 38 multiplied by 2. So 38 multiplied by 2. This 2 multiplied by 8. 2 multiplied by 8 equals to what, guys?
Yes, sir.
16.
Very good. It is 16. In 16, there are 2 digits. You will write 6 here. 1 will be carried. It will be to the tens. Now, multiply this 2 to 3. 2 multiplied by 3 equals what?
6.
It will be 6 and the other one will be 7.
Very good. It will be 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. So the answer will be 76. The answer will be 76. For carry, so this is the answer, guys. 2 multiplied by 8, 16. 6 here, 1 here, then 2 multiplied by 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Then the next question we have, that is that will be B. (43) multiplied by 2. (43) multiplied by 2. So you will write here 4 tens, 3 ones multiplied by 2. Yes, guys, this question you have to solve by yourself. Can you tell me 43 multiplied by 2 equals to what? Answer me in the chat box. 43 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 3, right here. 2 multiplied by 4, right here. This is very easy. 43 multiplied by 2. No, Sharif. Very good, Adam, call it. 43 multiplied by 2. Answer me the chat box, guys. Muhammad Al-Harbi, very good. Maki, very good. So this is very easy. 2 multiplied by 3, 6, and 2 multiplied by 4, 8. So the answer will be 86. Now for C. C is 38, 36 multiplied by 4. Okay, 16 multiplied by 4. This is 16 multiplied by 4. Sixteen, 1, 6 multiplied by 4. So 4 multiplied by 6 equals to what? Right here, what you should carry right here, 4 by 1, and then add the number which you have given, which you carried it. Sharif Ahmad, very good. Yes, guys, 16 multiplied by 4. Muhammad Al-Harbi, very good. I know. Yes, guys, 6 multiplied by 4 equals to what?
24.
64, 64.
6 multiplied by 4 equals to 24. 24, 4 you will write here to go up. Now, 4 multiplied by 1 equals to? Yes, 4 by 1 equals to?
4.
Don't need to shout, guys. 4 multiplied by 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So the answer is 64. The answer is 64. Now, let's have one 3-digit question. Three 46 multiplied by 4. 346 multiplied by 4. Make it even 146. 146 multiplied by 4. Yes, guys, this is 3-digit number. First, you will multiply 4 by 6. Right here, give the carry to here, then 4 by 4. Add the carry right here, then 4 by 1. And write the answer. 146 multiplied by 4. I will take one student. Bander.
Yes, sir.
Yes, multiply 146 by 4. 146 by 4.
100.
This question, can you see D on your screen? Can you see the screen or not?
Yes.
This question, 146 by 4.
Sir.
Yes.
400.
Do it step by step. 4 multiplied by 6 equals what?
I don't know.
4 multiplied by 6. You don't know table of 4?
No, sir.
4 multiplied by 6 equals 24. You should know the table. I'll give you homework to learn the table. Umar Hassan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Umar. Multiply 146 by 4.
What?
4 multiplied by 6 equals what?
24.
24. What should I write here? 24?
No, write 4 only.
Okay.
And write, yes, right here too.
Okay. Then
After this, the 4 now it is 6, not 4.
no. First you have to multiply. 4 multiply 4. Then you have to add. Don't add this.
4 multiply 4.
16.
I will, okay, yes, 16. I do something.
And 16 plus 2?
16 plus 2, 80.
18. So what should I write here?
Right here, 8.
And
4. And right here, 1, yes. And 4 multiply 1 equal 4. And now, and 4 plus 1 equal 5.
That's very good.
Now this number is 584.
That's very good. So guys, how you will solve this? First, you will multiply 4 by 6 once. 4 multiplied by 6 equals to 24. You will check table of 4. 4 by 1, 4. 4 by 2, 8. 4 by 3, 12. 4 by 4, 16. 4 by 5, 20. And 4 by 6, 24. 24 are 2 digits. So 2 tens you regroup with the tens and you will write only 4 ones. Then you will multiply this ones with the tens. Don't write, guys, the student was making mistake. He was adding first 4, 2, 6. No. You have to multiply this 146 by 4. You will not multiply the number which you give carry. You have to remember that you are multiplying a number with 4. So every number on ones, on tens, on hundreds, on thousands, on 10,000s, whenever you are multiplying, so you only have to multiply the numbers, not to the carries, or not by adding it. Okay, not after adding. So 4 by 6, 24, 4 here, 2 here, then 4 by 4, 16. Multiply this 4 by this 4 and get the answer 16. So 4 multiplied by 4 tens equals to 16 tens. In 16 tens, you will add 2 tens and that will be 18 tens. 18, also 2 digits, 8 right here, 100 give to the 100. Now this 4 multiplied by 1, 4 and 4 multiplied by 100 equals to 400. So 400 plus 100 equals to 500. In that way, you will find your answer. That will be 580. Clear, guys?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Give me a chance to explain.
Yes, sir.
That's right. And guys, are you writing it in your notebook?
No. Yeah.
You have to write in your notebook, guys. This is the classwork. You have to complete in your notebook. Okay? Write it down in your notebook. Write it down in your notebook. Those students who still not writing, write it down. Now question number E. E will be multiply by 2, 8, 386 multiplied by 2. It will be 386 multiplied by 2. It will be 386 multiplied by 2. I will take one student and with his help, I will answer it. Abdul Rahim Fadi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 386 multiplied by 2. Answer me, please. Multiply 2 by 6 first. Abdul Rahim Fadi.
Yes, sir. The mic not.
Okay, multiply 2 by 6 first. This 2 to this 6. 2 by 6 equals? What happened, Abdul Rahim Fadi? Why you're closing your mic?
No, I don't close it because the shot. Yes, 6 multiply 2, 12.
12. What should I write here?
Put 2.
Okay.
And in the tens we will put 1.
Okay.
2 multiply 8 equals to 16.
Okay.
16 plus 1, 17.
Okay.
We will put 1 in the we will put here 7 and in the hundreds 1.
Okay.
and 2 multiplied 3 equals to 6. 6 plus 1 equals to 7. 7, 7, 2, the answer.
That's very good. That is very good. Thank you.
Welcome. Sir,
Yes.
sir, I don't make the question number B
No problem.
because
Give the,
you are writing fast.
okay, no problem, guys. If anyone missed any question, so no problem. I will upload it in Classera course material. You can copy it down from there. Now we are having one more method we are checking for multiplication, and that is partition method. So in partition method, this is question number 2. Solve the following by partition method. By partition method, how we do, guys? This is 38 multiplied by 2. Okay. In partition method, how you solve the question? In partition method, you solve the question by breaking them into their values. This is 38. 38 means 3 tens and 8 ones. What is the value of this 3? The value of 3 is 30 and the value of 8 is 8. So instead of multiplying 38 by 2, you just break it 30 and 30 plus 8 and multiply each number by 2. In that way, it will be very easy for you to multiply. Like if I write 38, so I can say 30 plus 8, right? So 30 multiplied by 2 plus 8 multiplied by 2. I write their values and each value I multiply by 2. And in between these two values, I put here some addition sign. So 30 multiplied by 2 is very easy, you know, whenever you have 0 ones. So just multiply 2 with 3. 2, 3, 6 and 0 will be same. Plus 8 by 2 equals to 16. And it is also very easy to add 60 and 16. Right? So 60 plus 16 is equals to 76. So answer 38 multiplied by 2 is equals to 76. This is the same question, 38 multiplied by 2. Just we are changing it. We are doing it with partition method and we are checking with another method. The answer will be same. Is it clear, guys?
Sir, I want to answer.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
That's right. So 38 multiplied by 2 is equals to 30 multiplied by 2 plus 8 multiplied by 2. This is 30 plus 16. Okay. So answer will be 76. 76. Then we have another question, B. A B question I will write here. That is 43 by 2, right? This is 43 by 2. So take 43 by 2 here and we will solve it by partition method. Partition method, how you will solve, guys? 43 by 2 means you will write the value of 4 here. 4 is on the tens place, so its value is 40. Multiply 40 by 2 plus, remember to write plus. And what is the value of 3? The value of 3 is also 3. And multiply 3 by 2. Now, 40 by 2, 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8. And 0 will be same. It will be 80 plus 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6. So answer will be 86. The answer will be 86. There was also 86 and by partition method is also 86. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I want to answer.
Yes. Yes, sir.
خلاص.
That's very good. So guys, this work you have to complete in your book. Let's start from question number 138. We have finished 5 questions. Then question number 2, partition method. From partition method we are doing. This is 43 multiplied by 2. Now C is 16 multiplied by 4. This is very easy. 16 multiplied by 4 is very easy. And this is the last question we are doing today in today's class. 16 by 4. 16 by 4. Sixteen by 4. So what is the value of 1 here? The value of 1 is 10. So multiply 10 by 4. Plus, what is the value of 6? The value of 6 is also 6. So multiply 6 by 4. 10 by 4, 40. Plus 6 by 4, 24. And 40 plus 24 is equals to 64. This will be your answer. Clear, guys?
Here.
Yes, sir.
Here. This is
Very good. Okay, Sharif, I'm coming to you. Just guys, you have to finish it. Next questions, inshallah, we'll do it tomorrow. So complete it right now, and I'm going to ask one question which you don't need to write. Okay, you don't need to write it. I'm writing it bigger and with red so that you won't write. Multiply 58 by 3. 58 by 3. This is 58. Multiply 3 equals what? Yes, Sharif. 58 by 3.
okay. 58 by 3. The first one, 3 multiplied by 8. 3 multiplied by 8 will be 7. 3 multiplied by 6.
24.
3 multiplied by 24. And 3 multiplied by 5, 15.
15 plus 2.
So 3 plus 2, so we will put 15 together because there is no value again, only these.
Exactly. So the answer will be 174. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, guys. This is the end of our class. Inshallah, I'll meet you tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
So
Bye.
bye.
Bye bye.
Tomorrow.